Hello, welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube page. My name is Jade, and today we learn how to update our API keys. There are several reasons you may need to update your API keys, including when an exchange upgrades their APIs, requires additional permissions, adds IP whitelisting, enables futures trading on Binance, etc. You are able to delete keys and create new ones, but you lose your trading data. Instead, you can update your API keys. To do this, we go to the Settings tab and then Accounts. We select Edit next to the correct exchange. This is where we will enter our updated API information. On the exchange, we go to API Management. We delete the keys we currently have linked to Shrimpy. Now, we create a new set of API keys. Select Create API. We add a name and a passphrase, which we need when we update our keys in Shrimpy. Give trading permission, and we will select No for IP whitelisting. After completing the security verification steps, we have created our new API keys. Back on Shrimpy, we copy and paste the API key, secret, and passphrase, and select Update Keys. Our keys are now updated, and we kept all trading data. If you have any questions on updating your API keys, please reach out to the support staff at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.